In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your MoneyGram reference number. If you need to track a transfer, confirm details, or provide proof of payment, the reference number is one of the most important pieces of information to have. The good news is that it's usually very easy to find, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you the two most common ways to locate it. The first method is to check the email confirmation that was sent immediately after your transfer was completed. Start by opening the inbox connected to your MoneyGram account and look for the confirmation message related to your transfer. If you don't see it right away, you can use the search bar in your email app and search for MoneyGram or transfer confirmation to speed things up. Once you open the email, look near the top of the message. You should see an 8-digit code labeled reference number. This is the number you'll need. Make sure you copy it carefully, since even one incorrect digit can cause confusion when you're trying to track the transaction or share the details with support. If you can't find the confirmation email, or if you'd rather check directly through your account, there's another option. Open Chrome on your device and go to MoneyGram, then log in to your account. After signing in, head to your transaction history dashboard. This section shows your recent and past transfers, so it's the best place to review completed activity. In transaction history, find the specific transfer you want to check and click on it to open the full details. Once the transfer details are on screen, you should be able to see the same 8-digit reference number displayed there. This is helpful if you want to confirm that the number matches the original email or if you no longer have access to that message. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to save the reference number somewhere secure if you think you may need it again later. That can make future tracking much faster and help you avoid searching through emails or account history again. That's all it takes. Whether you use the confirmation email or your MoneyGram transaction history, you can quickly locate the 8-digit reference number you need.